Hi, everyone. Today I want to guide you on a meditation for sending love to Mother Gaia. I was so touched by all your responses to the message when Mother Gaia spoke about her pain and how she needs to release her trauma in order to walk into all that she can be. And we all have such love for the earth, and it's so beautiful. And so, if we're learning anything from Sophia, from this wisdom, is that we are very powerful. And when we get gathered together, in the name of love, that power is amplified. So if you want to set your intention today to have this meditation go directly into the earth in order to support her on her evolutionary journey, that would be very powerful. Use this meditation anytime you want to guide you into sending love to the earth. I also posted this meditation the day that I had also posted Mother Earth's information that she wanted us to know. And so it is both in written form on the post, and then I will go ahead and do it now through my voice. So I'll go slow so that you can relax. So find a place, a quiet, comfortable place. Either if you're driving, just relax your eyes, or if you're walking, or if you're sitting, come into a place of relaxation and peace. Breathe in love into your heart. And then exhale that love. See that love going through all the earth and all around the earth. And then as you inhale love, think of something that brings you joy and peace. And then send that love down into the earth and all around the earth. And do one more breath of love in. And as you exhale, just relax your body. Bring your awareness into your heart. Allow Mother Earth to rise up in you, bringing comfort and stability. As you see your feet connected to the earth, envision yourself as one with Gaia. See her soil, her love, her trees, her seas, her plants, and her air arise within you to propel you into pure love. This love from the earth is here to bring you comfort and peace. She is willing to do this as she herself is ready for great change and transformation. She wants to support you in your time of transformation as she is asking for you to support her through her evolution. Take a deep breath in and breathe in love. Feel the love penetrate every ounce of your being. And then on your exhale, send that love into the earth. See your breath, your love go from you down into the earth, blessing all that she is. As you take your next breath in, breathe in the very essence of Mother Gaia's energy, her life, her land, and surround her with love. Breathe in deep love and appreciation for what she provides you. Then exhale any of her pain, her trauma. See her pain go out of her and up into the light, for our Creator is with her, surrounding and loving her through her evolutionary change. Breathe in new life, new beginnings. Expand your heart, your lungs, your belly. Then exhale what no longer serves the earth, cleansing her with your breath, your love, your intentions. Now take your soul, your life force, and become one with the earth. Feel your light surround her with the aura of restoration and peace. Visualize in your heart, in your breath, the beauty of her sunrises and sunsets. And as you exhale, see her in perfect form, whole, healthy, and healed. Breathe in her sky, her air, her water, and fill them with divine love. Then exhale as you cleanse the elements of any pain and trauma. Breathe in new life, new beginnings, and exhale to her all the love that you are, helping restore her to new life. See yourself standing upon her land as you give thanks for all she provides for you. Allow this gratitude, this love to comfort her, renew her, and restore her. For she is about to go through much change as she releases what no longer is hers to carry. When she releases all her pent up energy, all her trauma, all her pain, she will arise within her new life for all upon the land. This life will restore and renew everyone who is upon her, giving new life, new beginnings to all inhabitants upon the earth. Today, we are asking you to bless her, to allow her the space to feel as you support her in her journey of restoration. She will sense your love and it will comfort her. She will arise within her the strength to heal. And in her healing, all will gain the wisdom and knowledge they need to rise above. She will provide you with the energy of love you will need to continue on your path of healing. So for today, thank the earth, for she is you and you are her. For we are all one. How could we not be? For we are all made in the image of our Creator. Take a deep breath into your heart. Breathe in gratitude and love. And one more time, send it down into the earth, through your body, through your feet, deep into her soil, thanking her deeply for all she has provided for you. And so it is.